Let's see how to draw a cylinder shape in Microsoft Word. First off, we want to open Microsoft Word. And as you can see right here, we have our document ready. Now to draw your cylinder shape, first step is to head on over to the Insert tab and insert your shape by clicking the Shapes option here, and you will see the cylinder shape under the Basic Shapes. Now when you click on that, you can click anywhere within your document to place your cylinder. And as you can see, we now have our cylinder right here. And you can do a lot of things with this. You can edit the shape fill. So for example, we could want to change its color. And you'll notice that Microsoft Word automatically updates this part right here, circle on top, to a lighter shade of your chosen color. You can also change the roundness of this circle right here by dragging this yellow point, as you can see. Now, let's say that you want to have a cylinder that has the same color from top to bottom. So what you can do is click on the Insert tab. Now click on Shapes again, and you can insert this shape instead. It is the flowchart magnetic disc. And as you can see, that looks almost the same as our cylinder. However, the main difference with this one is that it has the same colors for both top and bottom. However, you won't be able to change the roundness of your circle right here. And that is how you can draw a cylinder shape in Microsoft Word. I hope this helped, and I will see you soon.